Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Now, I'm going to present to you our study on determining the factors that impacting student attitude for statistics subject. I'm Siti Balqis Mahlan and this is our team Maisura Shamsuddin, Nur Azza Umar and Munira Hamad. We are from Universiti Teknologi Mara Cawangan, Pulau Pinang. So, for today's presentation, I'm going to talk about introduction, methodology, research objective, findings and discussion, and also conclusion. Introduction. Statistics is an important subject to learn. Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with data collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and also organization. Furthermore, statistics are important not only for specialists in numerous fields, but also for everyday life. However, some students perceive statistics to be a tough subject. Methodology. This study focuses on engineering degree students at UiTM Cawangan Pulau Pinang who took statistics subjects. The study involved a total of 136 students to answer a questionnaire related to attitudes and perception of statistics. The questionnaire have 15 items and each question contains a 5-point Likert scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree. This is the questionnaire used, which is adapted from Code Edal 2016. The questionnaire have 15 questions. In this research, we use descriptive statistics to construct the table of descriptive data and pie chart. In addition to descriptive statistics, this research also performed a factor analysis, FA. For the first step, we must find the value of Kaiser-Meyer-Olkin, KMO. FA is only appropriate to be used when the value of KMO is at least 0.5. Next, we must choose the optimal number of factors, which is the eigenvalues must be greater than 1. And also, Varimax rotation method must be done to find the most suitable factor, and the last one, we must rename the resulting FA components. Research objective. This research aims to determine the factors that impact students' attitudes toward statistics. Findings and discussion. As you can see in figure 1, the percentage of students was 47.06% for PKA, Pengajian Kejuruteraan Awam, 15.18% for PKK, Pengajian Kejuruteraan Kimia, and 16.18% for both PKE and PKM. So PKE is for Pengajian Kejuruteraan Elektrik and PKM is for Pengajian Kejuruteraan Mechanical. In figure 2 shows the percentage of students based on the gender. Male students is 61.03% more than female student, which is 38.97%. Next, the data was analyzed using factor analysis. The value of KMO is 0.791, which is greater than 0.5. Factor analysis is only appropriate to be used when the value of KMO is at least 0.5, while based on Bartlett test, it shows that it is significant since the p-value 0.000 is less than the alpha value, which is 0.05. From this result, it shows that the factor analysis could be done. In this table, it shows the result of the rotated component matrix. The component can be classified into 5 groups of factors, which are FA1, FA2, FA3, FA4, and FA5. The highest contribution is in the first group, which consists of question 1, question 2, question 7, question 12, question 8, and question 10, and can be named as self-confidence factor. As you can see in this figure, FA1 self-confidence factor is the highest contribution, and followed by the second highest contribution, FA2 mindset factor. The third factor is FA3 interest, and followed by FA4 conceptual understanding, and the last contribution is FA5 perseverance. And we can conclude that the main factor is FA1, that is self-confidence factor. Conclusion. The main contributing factor is the student's self-confidence factor, FA1. This study also found that the factors of mind, FA2, interest, FA3, conceptual understanding, FA4, and perseverance, FA5, also affects the student's attitudes and perceptions towards statistics. Self-confidence in learning statistics is important so students can succeed. This is due to the fact that students with high self-confidence are ready to deal with the difficulties associated with learning statistics and subsequently improve their academic performance. This finding can assist educators in developing new methods of teaching skills to improve student learning in statistics class. Thank you.